Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. I've got my little high pony. I feel very Genie-esque. I dream of Jeannie with the long blonde hair. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today, I am going to be asking you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thank you so much in advance. And today we are doing another palette from Odin's Eye, the Red Dragon, and it is a collab with a lady named Judy. And it is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And we, of course, have magic swatches, which we will have in 3, 2, 1. Bam! Look how beautiful. I mean, this is just like one rub and then another rub on my skin, and it is just beautifully pigmented and a really wearable palette. And I can't wait to put some on my eyeballs for you now. That is what I'm excited about. So, without further ado, let's get into her. The Red Dragon. Ooh. And I also had the Giant Wolves palette with Annette from Annette's Makeup Corner. And there was another one of these parts of the collab, but I didn't get the third one, because it was beautiful, but I only needed like a couple of these palettes. I didn't need to go overboard. So I'm going to start with Serene right here in my crease. But anyway, these palettes from Odin's Eye are just amazing. I've never used them until the Giant Wolves palette, and so this is my second experience with Odin's Eye. And that just blends out gorgeous. It's a really beautiful coral kind of clay kind of color. I am loving it. So next, there's some beautiful greens in here and some really great earth tones and a fantastic red. I think I'm going to go into Overheat, this shimmer, next. Oh, it comes out like kind of like a copper, like a gold or a copper. A little more gold leaning, I think. It's very subtle. So I'm going to build it up. We got Louis in the corner playing with the background. If you hear the crinkling noise, because that's not real wood. In case you were mistaken, it is not real wood. And that just adds a beautiful soft shimmer. I am going to go into something a little darker. Where am I going to go green? Because you guys know I do love a green. Now kittens are just running in the room. It's just mayhem. I think I'm going to go into Jade. It's a beautiful matte. It's not overpowering. It's actually kind of subtle. It's very pretty. Now I'm going to go in with something deeper on the outside corner. So I'm going to go into Fire. It's kind of a burgundy color. That's really pretty. Or is it a brown? It's like a burgundy brown. It's really pretty. I'm going to go into Solar Flare, this green shimmer, put it on my inner corner. That's really pretty. This is a nice kind of subtle look. A lot of the looks I've been doing this month have been pretty bold. It's so pretty. I'm going to bring this out a little further. I feel like it's missing something. Maybe it's just mascara and eyeliner. Let's do that and I'll be right back. And voila, we have the liner and mascara, and that really pulled this together. I've got some sun coming through the blinds, so it's giving me a very cool artsy look. But I love the way it is. And I'm going to do a cool lip with Family Jewels from Jeffree Star. And that looks fantastic. The sun is crazy. But I have a beautiful look today. I feel really super great and full of fall vibes. I love this Red Dragon palette. It is very wearable and dramatic at the same time. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.